In this video, I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how you can save battery life and use your Mac for longer time. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure your brightness is at a suitable level. That should be around half the way. If it's always on the brightest dimness, brightest light, energy is used constantly, continually. You're using energy, your computer's having to work hard. If you have it half, just about right, maintain a suitable brightness and then you will save more battery life. Also, your backlit keyboard, you see it on screen when I press it. This thing, it looks like a sun. If you don't need it, get rid of it. If you do need it, make sure it's just one or two, because if it's the brightest, you're wasting battery life. So at the minute I don't need it because I'm sitting in a room and I've got light from the window, so I'm all good. Yeah, that should do it. Half the way brightness. Okay, another thing is activity monitor. Click that and then go to where it says any application that you have open. I can just click here, click on the dock. I could probably just remove this if I wanted to. If I go to clean my Mac, I can just remove this if I wanted to. So if I go to memory, I could probably just press X and close it down, force quits it. Remember, don't force quit these things because these are important. Don't force quit the root or whatever. Only force quit things that you don't need, such as HyperDock, but I'm using that. Finder, you can force quit that. Actually, you can't force quit Finder. Clean my Mac, I'm using that. That's always open. Dock is always open. So you'll have certain things that you can close down or force quit. Okay, I'm just going to get out of this. At the minute, I have 2 hours and 32 minutes remaining. Make sure applications that you're not using are closed down because they just waste sufficient amounts of energy. Another feature is to go to your system preferences, energy saver. Okay, when the computer sleeps, you can say an hour or probably 15 minutes or 1 hour. I would say 5. If you do never, you're wasting energy. If the display never sleeps, you're wasting energy. You see, shorten its battery life. Okay, so I just have about 5 minutes. Yeah, put hard disk to sleep when possible. Slightly dim the brightness. Slightly dim the display while on battery power. Yeah, this is all correct. Yes, yes. Okay, those are my top tips on how you can save battery life. Backlit keyboard, make that, take it away, get rid of it. You don't need to on that. Dimness, have it about halfway, a suitable length to suit your conditions of your room in terms of have you got a light on, are you using outside light, are you using the dark. Okay, activity monitor, close programs that you don't need, and last but not least was system preferences, which what I showed you. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.